Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to enable the send crypto feature on Luno. Now, enabling the send crypto feature on Luno primarily relies on completing necessary account verification steps and ensuring your account meets Luno's security requirements. Here's a breakdown. So, Luno, as a regulated exchange, requires you to complete its Know Your Customer, that is KYC, verification process. This typically involves providing a government-issued ID, taking a selfie, providing proof of address. Until your account is fully verified, sending crypto may be restricted or unavailable. And also ensure that there's sufficient funds. Make sure you have a sufficient balance of the cryptocurrency you want to send in your Luno wallet. Remember to factor in any transaction fee. Now, we enable 2FA. This is recommended. Why not always mandatory? Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account and may be required for sending crypto. Luno may place temporary restrictions on account due to suspicious activity or security concerns. If you've recently changed your password or logged in from a new device, there might be a temporary hold. You need to ensure you're not violating any of Luno's terms of service. Violations can lead to account restrictions. In some regions, there may be restrictions on sending certain cryptocurrencies. If you completed all the above steps and still can't send crypto, contact Luno's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and troubleshoot any issue. In essence, the send crypto feature is enabled by ensuring your account is in good standing with Luno's security and verification requirements. Hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.